In this tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to change the paper orientation to landscape and how to turn the grid lines on to display. The first thing that you would want to do is, in order to change your paper orientation to landscape, you would click on your Page Layout tab. Below the Page Layout tab, there is a Page Setup group. You will select Orientation. You either have the choice of the default setting, which is Portrait, or Landscape. So you will set it to Landscape by selecting the Landscape option. In addition to changing the landscape orientation, you will also display your grid lines to turn on, basically to print or display, which is also found under the Page Layout tab. Across the ribbon, you will find an area called Sheet Options, and make sure that you check under the section Grid Lines in front of Print. The check mark will display, and those will allow for the lines to display basically the grid lines. Sometimes they just make it easier to read so you can easily identify the information. And this concludes the tutorial on changing your paper orientation to landscape and turning on the grid lines.